Hi, I'm Tricia Edwards. I'm one of the operations section chiefs for US EPA here at the East Palestine train derailment. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what's happened this past week and what's going to be going on in the upcoming week. Starting off with the wastewater treatment plant. Currently all of the water on site has been being collected and then shipped off as hazardous waste. Now that there's a treatment system in place, the water is treated to drinking water standards and no longer deemed hazardous. Ohio EPA makes a determination that the water can be shipped off as non-hazardous. The water is then shipped off to an EPA-approved facility at an off-site location. Next up is structure cleaning. Structure cleaning, the cutoff date for structure cleaning sign-up is September 14th. You can enroll or find out about eligibility by filling out a form online on the EPA website, by calling the EPA hotline at 330-775-6517, or by visiting the EPA Welcome Center downtown. The next thing coming up, starting on Monday, is site characterization. A final site characterization is going to be started in which samples will be taken in all of the areas that may have been impacted by the derailment and cleanup operations. We anticipate these sampling events to be ongoing into probably early spring.